Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You open Digistore24 and complete verification, then enable two-factor authentication for security. Next, you lock a niche by checking demand and quick keyword volume because relevance wins clicks. Once done, scan offers for conversion signals, commission percent, active sales pages, and vendor responsiveness. Make sure to favor recurring or high-ticket angles. Finally, save 3 candidate products in a list and prepare short tracking links. These become your first live promos. You now build campaigns, generate your affiliate link and append UTM tags so you can trace clicks precisely. Then decide traffic sources. Start with content and one paid channel to test, allocating $50 to $150 as a sensible learning budget. Once decided, create 3 creative assets: a headline, a 30-second pitch script, and a single image or short video. Make sure creative matches, offer benefits, and includes a clear call to action. Run a /B splits to learn quickly. You review performance metrics and focus on conversion rate and cost per conversion. If an ad underperforms for 48 to 72 hours, pause and iterate. Once a variant wins, scale gently, increase budget about 20% per day, and broaden targeting. Also optimize landing pages and email sequences to boost average sale. If nothing converts, troubleshoot. Confirm affiliate link works, UTM parameters are intact, and the vendor has not restricted affiliates. Fix tracking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.